How to use your laptop Kensington security slot. Introduction. Laptop theft is a common problem, but many people are unaware of the Kensington security slot that can be used to prevent it. This slot is a small, elongated hole that is usually found on the side or rear panel of your laptop. What is a Kensington security slot? The Kensington security slot is a standard security feature that is found on most laptops. It is a small, elongated hole that is usually found on the side or rear panel of the laptop. The slot is designed to be used with a Kensington lock, which is a cable lock that can be used to secure your laptop to a fixed object. How to use a Kensington security slot? To use a Kensington security slot, you will need to purchase a Kensington lock. These locks are available from most computer stores and online retailers. Once you have purchased a Kensington lock, follow these steps to use it. Locate the Kensington security slot on your laptop. This is usually a small, elongated hole that is found on the side or rear panel of the laptop. Insert the end of the Kensington lock cable into the Kensington security slot. The cable should fit snugly into the slot. Loop the other end of the Kensington lock cable around a fixed object. This could be a desk, a table leg, or anything else that is secure. Secure the Kensington lock. This is usually done by turning a key or entering a combination. Benefits of using a Kensington security slot. There are several benefits to using a Kensington security slot. It can deter thieves. The presence of a Kensington lock can deter thieves from targeting your laptop. It can help you recover your laptop if it is stolen. If your laptop is stolen, the Kensington lock can help you track it down and recover it. It is a relatively inexpensive security measure. Kensington locks are relatively inexpensive, making them a cost-effective way to protect your laptop. Conclusion. The Kensington security slot is a valuable security feature that can help you protect your laptop from theft. If you have a laptop, I encourage you to purchase a Kensington lock and use it to secure your laptop whenever you are not using it. Additional tips. Register your Kensington lock. Most Kensington locks come with a registration card. By registering your lock, you can increase the chances of recovering your laptop if it is stolen. Use a strong password or combination. If your Kensington lock uses a key, make sure that the key is kept in a safe place. If your Kensington lock uses a combination, make sure that the combination is strong and difficult to guess. Do not leave your laptop unattended. Even if you have a Kensington lock, it is still important to not leave your laptop unattended. If you must leave your laptop unattended, make sure that it is in a secure location. Please like and subscribe.